Hi everyone, into this video I'm going to explain to you how to use Authenticator app for Roblox. So what you're going to have to do is simply download the Authenticator app, which is this one here on your phone. Now after you download this app, what you're going to have to do is to simply sign into your Roblox account and then simply click on the settings icon and then go to the settings. After that, you're going to have to simply go to security and then here simply enable this. Now, after you do that, you're going to see this QR code. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open the Authenticator app and then simply tap on the plus button and then simply scan the QR code. And then what you're going to have to do is to simply give it a name if you want and then simply click save, and then you're going to have the Authenticator code right here for your Roblox account. And after that, you're going to have to enter the code generated here into your Roblox account and then simply click on verified, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.